Hello everyone. Today is the second video for the AgentStax AI Engineering Complete Series. आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या होता है एक्चुअली AI इंजीनियर का काम. Like what's the day in the life of an AI engineer? क्या skills, क्या project? So what is the daily activity that an AI engineer performs such a way that he can deliver some of the amazing solutions in the market? इस वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि मैंने इससे पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था जहाँ पे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया सारा रोड मैप कि एआई इंजीनियर आपको अगर बनना होगा आज के इस मार्केट में, इस दुनिया में 2026 में, सो आपको क्या-क्या स्किल्स आने चाहिए। तो वो जाके आप वीडियो प्रेफ़र कर सकते हो। सारा वीडियो, सारा एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा कि एक एआई इंजीनियर का एक्चुअली रोल क्या होता है। So now coming on to the next part, which is we will understand what does an AI engineer actually do. So as being myself as an AI engineer, my work to day life is what I have mentioned here. So the daily work is to build AI powered application using large language models. So basically there are two types of AI engineers, one who actually build the core LLM. Basically they are called as core AI engineers, जिनका काम होता है कि मैं कोई तरीके से मैं जो अपना ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स वगैरह जो भी रिसर्च पेपर्स पब्लिश हुआ है, एडवांस एडवांस रिसर्च पेपर्स, वो स्टडी करके मैं कोई एक आर्किटेक्चर क्रिएट करूँ जो होता है बेसिकली बहुत एडवांस तरीका होता है. आई एम नॉट दैट कोर ए आई इंजीनियर. माई डे टू डे वर्क इज़ टू बिल्ड एप्लीकेशंस यूजिंग ए आई. So this is the one thing which I want to say, like this is what that AI engineer does, whose work is to build a application using large language model. Next comes the person designs and develop backend systems that integrate with AI models. So basically, what does an AI engineer does? Like he has the capability where he can make the AI interact with the backend system. So for example, we have fast API, we have Node.js. So these all things the AI engineer will try to integrate with the AI systems. Next comes like the AI engineer can create intelligent workflows using RAG, agents and tool calling. For example, like and to create an intelligent workflow, जैसे कि होता है कि मुझे कोई एक कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्कफ्लो क्रिएट करना है जिसमें मेरे को डॉक्यूमेंट्स इंटरेक्शन चाहिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ एआई. So that is something what an AI engineer does. AI engineer also create agents where it interacts with several multiple sources. For example, knowledge base. For example, pool callings. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट टू इंटरैक्ट विद विकिपीडिया. सो विकिपीडिया इंटरैक्ट करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग एआई. सो दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज इंटेलिजेंट वर्कफ्लो. So that also an AI engineer can do it by its own. Then connect AI systems with databases, APIs and external tools. जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया कि एक डिफरेंट थर्ड पार्टी सोर्सेस होता है, उससे भी अगर मुझे मीन्स कम्युनिकेट करवाना होगा एआई से, so that also AI engineer does. And then deploy, monitor, and scale AI applications in production. So basically, an AI engineer also takes responsibility to maintain and scale the systems. So here, the AI application, whenever it's deployed, that needs to be taken a proper care, proper maintenance happens. So that also an AI engineer does, and continuously improving the performance, accuracy, and the user experience. This is what actually an AI engineer does. सो ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं विच विल मेक यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि इन फ्यूचर इफ आई बिकम एन AI इंजीनियर, what will be my day-to-day activities, what will be my role as an AI engineer. Now comes the next part, which is what does an AI engineer build. So basically, AI engineer build products, and those products have power which is given by AI. So for example, if I want to build a product, I can use AI to build something called as resume optimizer. जैसे कि आज होता है मार्केट में resumes होते हैं, बहुत सारे resumes आते हैं. So what does AI engineer does? AI engineers create some model which will take resume as input and can give you some analysis, can make your resume better, can optimize your resume. Companies use AI for doing resume ranking kind of. जैसे कि अगर मुझे like if you know that big companies like MNC, they receive thousands of applications every day, and not all the people, all the candidates get interview opportunities. सो इस टाइम पे क्या हो रहा है कि एआई विल हेल्प यू टू सेग्रीगेट द वंस which really match your job description, which really match the skill sets, the experience that you really want. So this is what AI engineer builds. Second is chatbot. Basically, chatbot is a very widely used power which AI has, because today's chatbot needs to be very much conversative. If it should be able to conversate properly, it should also have the power where it can understand the sentiments, it can understand the intent, the all the things, whatever, it will make the chatbot very meaningful and useful. So today AI engineers really build that kind of applications. Coming to the next part, which is the support bot. So basically today we are seeing that a lot of customer support are being replaced by AI, as AI can actually have the knowledge and also can interact with the clients, customers. So today AI in customer support is very popular today. And these are the just three samples which I have taken, but there are millions of use cases which you can actually build as an AI engineer. Now comes the anatomy of an AI product. So basically, this part really helps you to understand what happens when you start building a product. So basically, it starts with a user. So user is someone who interacts with the product. For example, I am a customer. I will use the product where I will just go, I will choose any option. For example, chat feature, voice feature, API call. So user will be having that access. Then a user will be interacting directly with the front end. So user don't have any knowledge about the backend. User doesn't know anything about which backend framework is being used, but user will be able to see a beautiful interface where the person can interact with the components which he really wants. Now coming to next part, which is backend. Backend is something which handles the business logic. For example, authentication, API request, orchestration, communicates over the services. So whatever the backend happens between the front end and the user, after the layer of front end, it comes as a backend. Next comes the most important part, which is the AI layer, where AI will take the inputs from the user via front end, pass it to the backend, and backend from backend, AI will take the data, and AI will do the reasoning, do the intelligence, do the generation, decision making. Anything which happens in the AI layer is done using LLMs. Then we have a data layer where, for example, if we are dealing with lot of data, so here the database integration, knowledge bases, whatever the maybe the product has been designed. So that used to be that is taken from the data layer. And then whatever the data we get, we fetch from the data layer is passed onto the APIs, and that external tools and services which extend the capabilities are used. And this is how the entire anatomy of an AI product is built. So we have separate layers for authentication, authorization, monitoring layer, security and privacy, deployment and infrastructure, and we have a feedback loop as well. So this is a very important key takeaway which I really wanted to share. An AI product is not just an LLM. It's a full system where the UX, logic, data, AI work together to deliver the real value which the users can really experience. So this is the overall understanding about the entire anatomy of an AI product. Now comes the very important part. What are the skills which every AI engineer needs? So I have classified this into two parts. One is an AI skill and one is engineering skill. Because without being an engineer, you can never be a good AI developer. You need to be a very good at your engineering skills. You should be having a perfect knowledge about backend systems, databases, the deployments, APIs. So first thing which comes first is engineering skills, and definitely these things I will be taking forward in a course, end-to-end course for backend development. But I want that before going to that phase, let us understand deeply about what are the AI skills which we need. So one is LLMs, RAG, agents, prompt engineering. So these are the AI skill sets which I will be covering in detail in this entire course. I will be spending great amount of time in for explaining RAG, LLMs, because RAG and LLMs are very important. It's very very essential for you to understand the AI architecture, the LLMs, and how we can write absolutely amazing prompts which will give us the best output. So there are some techniques, there are some, kind of better understandings which I will share in this entire playlist with my personal experience, and that will really help you in becoming a good AI engineer. Next comes the AI engineer tech stack. So basically, this part is very important when you have to understand like what tech stack should be I aware of if I want to become a good AI engineer. So first comes a very, very, very important Python. Python is something which is widely available in the entire YouTube, so I don't need to teach you Python separately. आप कोई भी यूट्यूब चैनल देख सकते हो, वहाँ पे आपको पाइथन मिल जाएगा जिससे आप पाइथन सीख सकते हो. देन कम्स द फ्रेमवर्क, बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क, which today is very much trending and it's damn booming for future, which is fast API. It's asynchronous and definitely it's very easy to learn as well. Lot of resources available, but in future definitely I will come up with a fast API course as well. Next comes an OpenAI. OpenAI is basically where you have to learn about LLMs, how to use LLMs, how to optimize your uh, code using LLMs, prompting techniques. These all things will be covered in OpenAI. Now, next comes LangGraph. LangGraph is basically when you want to create a flow orchestration. That is why LangGraph is very important. PostgreSQL database, Pinecone, which is a vector database, Docker, it's for mostly post development, and then comes the AWS, which is cloud. So these all things I will be covering. I will not cover Docker, AWS in this particular course, but definitely when I will covering the backend and deployment in future, definitely I will come with all of these. Next comes like the project every AI engineer should build. So this is something which I wanted, that if someone can build these kind of projects by their own, and they can test it by themselves, definitely then they are very much eligible for applying for AI engineer role. Definitely in a starting phase now, I would suggest like just take a screenshot of this slide. We will be focusing on this in future. We will be understanding like how we can really build systems using this with the help of these all topics. So it's not only about the one part of AI, it's just like we can integrate multiple topics and build a entire solution. So these all projects is something which I will try to figure out if I can teach you end-to-end in this course. But there are some of the 4 to 5 projects planning I have already done. So I will be working on that, and I will try to teach you end-to-end how to build a specific product. Now comes the next very important part, which is your AI engineering journey starts here. So how your AI engineering journeys will start. Your path to become an AI engineer will start by understanding the role. Exactly what does AI engineer do? What are the skills? What are the tools and opportunities? So ये सारी चीज़ें हम समझेंगे कि कैसे एक AI engineer का रोल होता है. How does AI engineer upskill itself? How does AI engineer knows that what he wants to deliver? So it's kind of something which AI engineers will study by its own. Next comes up building foundation, basically learning about Python, APIs, database, core backend development. This is something which AI engineer will put efforts to learn so that they can build amazing products. Next, coming about AI fundamentals like how to prompt, how to learn LLM, how to create embeddings, how to create a RAG architecture. These all things come from the AI fundamentals by mastering the AI fundamentals. Then comes like building in AI applications. So then AI engineer can start building some basic applications like a chatbot and agents and workflow, something like basic which an AI engineer can really start building, and then deploying and scaling it. Like it's a post development work where the AI engineer will deploy and try to scale the AI application as much as possible with the best accuracy, with the best metrics possible. And then it will iterate like based on the feedbacks, based on whatever suggestions the market or the customer give. AI engineers try to understand the feedbacks and try to reiterate the entire process so that the customer will be happy with the solution what you have built. So it's like from a learner to builder perspective what we have. from projects to creating an impact. And this is how an AI engineer journey starts. So from here onwards, maybe these two videos were more about understanding what is AI, what is the scope, what the plan which we are coming up with. And this video is mostly about AI engineer. What does AI engineer do? What are the tech stack? What are the projects? But in future, definitely we will be coming up with the real theoretical concepts where we will be starting with LLMs and taking on one by one things. We will try to finish up this course by explaining all the by going through all the important topics and projects. So that's my plan. So this was an entire end-to-end understanding about what is the AI engineer does, what are the tech stack frameworks, and really I want you to move forward with this playlist in the from the next video where we'll be starting completely on the topics. So thank you so much for watching. I really want you guys to subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel so that my channel will be growing as much as possible and will give me motivation to create more such amazing contents.